Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're coming back for more, welcome back. I'm so grateful you are here either way. So today I want to get started and give you a real quick video to discuss email marketing. I remember when I first started my virtual assistant business 3 years ago, and I kept hearing the word email marketing or you need to be building a list, but I didn't quite understand what the hell that meant. So today I want to just talk to you briefly about what that is, how it actually helps us, and what tools or email marketing program that I'm using, just so you can know what's out there and what's helpful and what you can be using. So stay tuned. Okay, so email marketing, what is that? So, in terms of your business, right, we need to be marketing our business. And one of the ways to do that is through email, which is why they say it's so important to have a list and to be building your list. Another way to like market your business is through social media, right? However, the people on your social media, like Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, we don't actually own those contacts. So, for example, if I wanted to, go to Mark Zuckerberg or whoever the hell and be like, yo, can I get a copy of all of those emails that are following me so I can then reach out to them? We can't do that. They own those emails, they own those contacts. When it comes to us, if we are building a list, an email list or whatever, we actually own those. We have the right to contact anybody on our list, which is why it's so important to be building a list so that we can then market to them, which is the email marketing. Okay. So now when it comes to, there's like so many videos that can be done here as far as how to grow a list. But today I just want to talk to you about the actual email marketing, what platforms are out there and what they do. So when it comes to email marketing, right now I use Flowdesk. That's what I started with because it was efficient. I mean, it was cheap, so I could afford it, which is what I needed at the time when I started my business. Plus, visually, it's so appealing to me. Now, I've worked with clients in other email marketing platforms, like ConvertKit is what I also work in now with a client, and that has a ton of capabilities. It is more expensive, but it has a lot more capabilities. So for someone just starting out, to me, Flowdesk is the way to start. So having your email marketing system set up will allow you to start emailing people, emailing leads, emailing clients, customers, whatever. But also, one big thing that I do in my email marketing platform is create opt-in pages. So like the freebies listed below were all created in Flowdesk, where you can sign up and then I can email you the freebie and it's perfect. It's beautiful. So another great thing that having an email platform set up for your business is that when you go to have like a training, maybe it's a webinar, maybe it's a workshop, you can also set up those pages or an opt-in page for people to sign up for your workshop or free training. And that is building your list. Anybody who signs up, you can email them the Zoom link to go with that, but you're also building your list while you're doing that, which is huge. So having your email marketing system set up is so good for your business for so many reasons. Not only for you to reach out to people, to market your business to them directly, but also to have people sign up for events. In Flowdesk and in ConvertKit, they both have a checkout system in there where you can list products or services in there, and you can check out. People can pay you through there. So that's also available in whatever email marketing system you choose as far as Flowdesk or ConvertKit. But either way, get one set up today. That was one of the first things that I started with in my business was I liked Flowdesk because visually it's beautiful for my creative side, but also it was cheap, so I could afford it, which is huge when you're first starting your business. And it did what I needed it to do. And I'm 3 years in and I still am using it and love it. Now there's other integrations with Flowdesk so you can connect it to different things to help run your business. I also have set up on my website, down below, you'll see like a ribbon banner thing where you can sign up, where people can sign up to get tips and tricks or whatever. That is building my list. And I did that through Flowdesk. Also on my website, you'll see a pop up, which you can create in Flowdesk, and that's where people can sign up to get my freebies. So there's really so many capabilities, but it is so beneficial for you to set up your email marketing system today. And below I will link the one that I use, which is Flowdesk, and I think there's like a code you can click into it and get a discount. So go check it out. I mean, truly, like, start today. If you have any questions, link them below and I will answer them. Also below, or put them below, put your questions below and I will be here answering them. Also below, I will have my free resources that you can check out. But come back next week. I will share another quick tip about building your business, using Reels, mindset. I'm not sure, it's whatever. So I will see you next week. Bye.